Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the euro dollar, we definitely do have a reaction to this 50% Fibonacci level. Now, we don't really know for sure if this level is going to hold or not. I mean, it definitely could go down to any one of these levels. To me, it still looks like impulsive up. It still looks like corrective down, which will most likely lead to another impulsive up at some point for a wave C of either a running or an expanding flat. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you a little more clearly see that this first move down right here is definitely a three-way pattern. Then this is definitely another three-way pattern. So we got three down, three up. That means that this move down right here is likely going to be five waves. Now, like I said, it could end up turning at the 50% and starting a brand new uptrend, but it also could end up going down to any one of these Fibonacci levels for its five waves of wave C. So I would definitely want to see a nice clear 3, 4, 5 shape with a break of structure to the upside to prove that this wave C 5-wave trend is complete, which we don't see yet. Going down to the daily time frame, so the trend is definitely down on the daily. Like I've been saying, if this is a 1 and a 2 and a 3, then this still potentially has a lot of downside potential. So this wave right here is way too small to be a wave 3. So if it does end up breaking up here, it might actually be three waves of like a WX Y pattern. So we definitely do need to keep that in mind. Either way, though, the trend is still down as of now. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, the market is pretty rangy right now, but this move that we currently see to the upside very, very easily still could be a correction to this last move down. As long as it does not go up here and break these highs, I'm definitely still bearish, and I'm definitely still looking for shorts at Fibonacci levels for potentially the continuation of the downtrend. Taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, zooming back out a little bit, like I was just saying, unless it breaks this high right here, we have to keep in mind that all the higher time frames are in a downtrend. We got another pretty good push up, but if you watched my video yesterday, then you'll know that I was talking about how this is a holiday week and the market is probably going to be pretty choppy for the next few days, especially starting after today. It's a really big holiday in the US this week. So for me personally, as long as it does not break this high right here, the trend is down, so it still could bounce from a fib level and end up continuing the downtrend. I personally would still be looking for shorts unless it goes up here and breaks this high, but I'm not a scalper, I'm more of a swing trader. So I would much rather patiently wait for sorting opportunities, maybe try to go short at these little peaks right here, these little Fibonacci bounces, for the continuation of the downtrend, at least until we get some sort of a break of structure telling us that we have a possible change in trend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.